Alright. In this video, we're going to be talking about relational operators. Okay? There's going to be 4 of them. So, now with relational operators, these are going to be used to make Boolean expressions. Okay? Well, what's a Boolean expression? It's an expression that will simplify to either true or false. Okay, so simple example. 3 less than 5. Okay? Is 3 less than 5? Well, this is a true statement, so this will simplify to true. Now, this is a very small Boolean expression, and when you run this, it will say var is true. Because this expression that I have highlighted simplifies to true. Now, we can have, we're not going to go over it yet, we can have a very, very long expression, and it will still simplify to true or false. It can be very long and complex, but in the end, it'll be evaluated true or false. Alright, what about 3 is greater than 5? Well, that's not true. 3 is smaller than 5. So when we run this, it will say var is false. Okay? So we're only using integer literals in this video for right now. Now, so we just covered the greater than and the less than. Now next, let's take a look at the greater than or equal to operator. Okay? This operator itself, this represents the greater than or equal to. Together, these two symbols together. Is greater than or equal to. Is 3 greater than or equal to 5? It's still false. Now, but is 5 greater than or equal to 5? Well, that's actually true. Okay? But is 5 greater than 5? Let's go ahead and run this, and it's false, because 5 is not greater than 5. And this is how we can include values or exclude values using that. Okay? And it's similar to the less than or equal to. Okay? Is 5 less than or equal to 5? Well, in this case, it's equal to. So it's true. Okay, now this kind of alludes us to the assignment operator. So the assignment operator is represented by the equal sign. Okay, I'm not going to go over this too much, but there's only going to be one assignment operator in this expression. Can you have more than one? Absolutely. We're going to talk about that when we start assigning multiple variables, but let's stay on topic right now. Do not confuse these. This right here, this less than or equal to sign, it can't even be separated by a white space. These values can be separated by white spaces, as many as we want, but this operator, they have to be glued together for a less than or equal sign. There's only going to be one assignment operator, and it's not an equal sign. Although it's represented by an equal sign, there's only going to be one assignment operator in these types, unless we're actually assigning multiple variables, but which we're not. I have a couple videos for the assignment operator, and I'm not going to go over that too much. But just understand that everything on the right-hand side of the assignment operator will be simplified to a value, then that simplified value will be stuffed into this variable. That's it on this video. Now we have to go over the equality operators next, and we'll discuss that in the next video. Thank you for watching, and let's finish these operators up.